how to make a social media website in Wix. So let's get started. First, you have to go to Wix sign up or sign up Wix and then create an account here. It's easy to create an account on Wix. All you have to do is just enter or add your email address and then password. Or the easiest way to create one is to just connect your Google account to your Wix. And once you have your Wix account, then this is what it looks like. Here you can see your unpublished website and published website. And if you want to edit a site right here, all you have to do is tap on select and edit site, or you can create a new site by tapping this create new site right here. Now you can see this create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agencies and freelancers. This one is with advanced feature. You can try this one out, but as a beginner, I strongly suggest to try create on Wix editor. Tap the second one. Now it will ask you to use the AI so that it would be easier for you to build your own site and template, but it takes time. So for me as a beginner, to avoid confusion, you can tap on the second one here, which is set up without chat. Click this one. So what type of website do you want to create? For example, about skincare shop, something like that. Click this one right here and then tap on continue. So let's just say Jandis Skincare. Let's just say Jandis SC Shop. Click continue. No, I'm just starting out. Continue. You can tap this one right here, this one, and then tap on continue. Then you can choose from any of your how are you offering your products right here. So marketplaces and social media. Click continue. And you're all set. So continue to dashboard. So this is your dashboard, and I'm going to tell you that your dashboard is an independent dashboard. So whatever you add here, like your payment method, your products, applications, and anything, it will not affect your other sites, especially unpublished sites right here. So that's why it is called independent dashboard. Now you can follow the steps right here to build a good website, a strong website. You have to follow the steps. So you're done with your site type. You need to add your payment method, product, set up shipping and delivery, design your website, get found, sell your products, get mobile app for your business, and so on. And here on the left side, you can see different features where you can add options, where you can add your products and other information of your store or your blog. Now let's go directly to our main focus, and that is how to make a website here on your Wix. So what you're going to do is tap on design sign. So generate a design. You can ask a design from AI. That actually takes time. So I strongly suggest again to pick a template or pick the second one right here. And then you have your templates that you can use. Okay, so these are for free. If you upgrade your plan, then there will be more templates. These are the best match for your skincare shop. You can choose from any of this right here. So let me tap this one. I want to edit. And it will take you directly to your design site. Here is where you can create or you can make a social media website. So this is your site. You can zoom in to 100 so that it would be more visible to you. On the left side, you can see here add elements, section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business media and CMS. And of course, this is the name of your skincare shop. You can change this by tapping or double click, edit text, and you can change the name of your skincare shop right here. And you can also add more. You can add more section. You can edit your pages menu right here. But since this is not really our tutorial, let's just go directly to how to make a social media website here. So suppose that you have added more information here and your pictures or the images of your product. What you're going to do now is you have to click add section, tap this one. It will add a blank section right here, not totally blank, but you can start adding features here like images and so on. Let's just first add a blog site. So tap on the plus icon right here. Let's just say the elements. And then here you have to scroll down and you have to look for blog. Click this one. But first you have to add this to your site. Add the site first. So here you have your choices. You can post a list large, post a list slide bar, recent posts, okay, category menu, tag cloud, and so on. So basically, I'm going to add a post list here, which is this one, a large one. But actually, everything is up to you. So I'm going to add this one right here, and then it will be added to my page. So as you can see, there is this page that is blog, and this is where you can easily look for that specific page of your website. So it's now adding Wix members area notification, which is of course built in here in your Wix website. Now, what you're going to do now is you can now add your blog post right here or your blog. You can write and then add images. So here I am going to show you how to create a blog or blog post on your Wix website. Okay, so now you can add the category title and then you can also add an image right here. So what you're going to do is you can now click this manage post to edit. Tap on manage post right here. It will take you back to your dashboard. Okay, now you can create new post. Don't worry if you have drafts, you can see it right here, pending review or schedule or trash. You could just basically go to this section right here. So tap on create new post. And then after that, you can now add your title right here. So my daily skincare routine for healthy glowing skin. So let's just say I am selling skincare products, so they need to read my blog post first, okay, to have at least idea on how to take care of their skin or how to use my products. So let's just say this one right here. This is my morning routine. Okay, so toner, vitamin serum, moisturizer, and so on, evening routine. And I have also here my bonus tips. Okay, so as you can see, you can also ask AI to help you create post or attract readers for your title, the outline, meta tags, and so on. But for now, we will not just focus on that. In the future, you can use AI to help you to have a good quality content. Now let's move on to the ad section right here. So here the ad section, you can add image, gallery, video, GIF file, elements, and so on. So for this time, I just want to add the image, my skincare products. So I'm going to tap this one right here. I'm going to upload. Here are my skincare products. I'm going to add this to my blog. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and then after that, you can also go to settings if you want to add, like for example, tagline, publish date. You can publish now. Excerpt, rated post. Okay, you can also go to SEO here for your SEO settings, monetize. If you want to start earning money from your blog, you can get started with this one right here. And then translate and applications if you want to optimize your posts and drive more traffic. So you can use this one right here. Once done, you can now tap publish and then wait for a couple of seconds. And that's it. You have published your post. You can go to editor to edit, or you can do that later. You can also go to comments if someday you will be receiving comments from your clients. You can also set moderation rules right here, pending reported trash. Also go to categories if you want to create category of your blog post. You can set up tags right here if you have other writers, if it's just not you. So you can add more writer here. Monetization for, if you want to set up pricing and then add information and setting for your monetization, you just have to go this one right here and analytics for the overview and the activities of your blog post or blog analytics. Now let's go back to our design site. If I'm going to refresh this, okay, so if you tap on this page and then go to blog, then basically you will see here what I have created earlier for my skincare shop. Okay, this is my blog. Now, this is considered as social media website. Also, you can just basically add your social media accounts right here. So you can go to social, tap this one. And basically you can add social media bars, share buttons, or you just want to add your Facebook account only, your Twitter account, your Pinterest. So let's just say if you want to add your Pinterest, okay, you can just basically tap or drag this to the section right here. And then all you have to do is to add your Pinterest account. So this is what it looks like. And then you can choose pin URL if you wanted to. And aside from that, you can also go back to elements. And then you have to go to social and then tap on, let's just say, Facebook. And then add your Facebook right here. Okay. And then basically this is what it looks like. And you can now adjust the size to make it same with your Pinterest right here. And all you have to do is to add your Facebook account or URL right here. So let me adjust this one. Okay, so I can't make it smaller, but this is what it looks like. Now you can also go to Elf site. Okay, here on the Elf site, you can just basically copy and then paste a URL or your website here without coding. So you can now sign up or log in if you don't have an account, sign up. And then if you have an account, tap on login. I'm going to add like Instagram feed. Okay, so Instagram. So you can search for Instagram here. We have here Instagram. Okay, Instagram feed. Tap this one. And this is what you can, or you can select a template here for your Instagram feed. Select the status one, continue with this template. This is what it looks like. This is the face. This is what it looks like if your customer or client visit your Wix website, and if you have added your Instagram feed, they will see all your artwork, your products, and all your pictures. Now, this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can just paste your account right here. And then if you want to change your layout, just go to layout. If you want to change the post, of course, this is not really my pictures. Then I can just basically change this one later. You can change the style, the header, post, arrows, and so on, and settings. Now, if you're okay with that, then all you have to do is tap on published. Just select 0 here, and then copy this one. Go back to your Wix. We're going to add a new section here. And then tap on the plus icon. Look for the embed code. Tap this one. Okay. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you have to paste the code here. So I have added the app site URL right here. I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And you should see this one. Okay. And all you have to do now is to basically change this or add your own Instagram account. You can add more website if you want, but this is how you make a social media website here on Wix. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.